This is how I prepare chicken. First, I start with really good chicken. Next, I take 2 forks and I stab it repeatedly like this. Then I add olive oil and truffle oil and one of these 2 spices to the top and put it in a Ziploc bag. So as you can see, I stabbed it 1,000 times with 2 forks. You need 2 forks because if you use one, it sticks to the fork and then the second fork keeps it down. So you put olive oil in it, and we're gonna use roasted garlic, but sometimes I make it sweeter with the brown sugar. I get this stuff on Amazon. Well, this one's sealed, so I guess it's brown sugar tonight. Like that, and then a little bit of truffle oil on top. All right, now we're gonna stick in the Ziploc bag. All right, so we just shoved it in the Ziploc bag, and once again, I used chicken tenders, not a chicken breast. Chicken breast works, but chicken tenders work a little better in the cooking side. So this is a tenderizer, and it's in the bag. I like that because then you don't have to clean the tenderizer. Over. And that's it. And then you let it sit for a few minutes. And while you let it sit, you preheat a pan to medium. Don't get it too hot or it damages the pan or whatnot. And then I'm going to spray some olive oil in there. And then we're going to cook it on each side for about 4 minutes and then flip it. And that'll get a nice brown. But some people like it differently, but we like it with a slight brown and crunch to it. All right, I put about half the chicken in there, turned it up to 8, and I'm going to cover it and cook it relatively quickly. All right, been about 4 minutes. And I put a little more seasoning on it on top, and we're gonna flip it here. And by hammering it out and make it nice and thin, it cooks evenly and quickly. Where with a big, thick piece of chicken, obviously you're gonna get the center cooked, you're gonna overcook the rest of it. This, it's about the same thickness, it's a nice even cook. Like 4 minutes, and we'll pull it out. And here's the final product. I always slice it in half to make sure it's cooked good. If not, I just throw it right back in the pan for a minute. And we usually pair this with some type of rice or pasta, which is easy. This gives you like a 20-minute start to finish meal. All right, last one of the final product. Hope it looks delicious, but we need an expert's opinion. Then would you like to?
Yeah.
Is that a 10? Mm-hmm. Awesome.